Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you some simple ways to organize your iPhone photos. So first, open the Photos app and use albums to group photos by events, trips, or projects. You can also use the search feature to quickly find photos based on your people, places, objects, or other information recognized by your iPhone. Another useful option is favorites. Tap the heart on your photos you want to find quickly later. You can also remove duplicate photos by opening the Photos app and checking the duplicate section when it's available. This lets you review your duplicate images and combine them to save spaces. For photos you don't want appearing in your main library but don't want to delete it, you can use the hidden album. You can also customize which albums and content appear in your Photos app's view. And if you use iCloud photos, make sure your sync settings match how you want your photos to be stored. So these are simple organization tools that can make a huge difference when you use your camera roll. That was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.